News 46 is brought to you by Inspiration Senior Living, where we provide affordable elegance to Pahrump area seniors. Give us a call at 751-2300 and make an appointment to tour our community. News is also brought to you by Smitty's Cards and Coins. Would you like to know what your collectibles are worth? Come by 2281 Postal Road, Unit 4, across from the post office. News is also brought to you by J.K. Nelson Law. Call 727-9900 today for your free consultation. If you need a lawyer, you need Nelson.
Tonight on News 46, a new grant will be used to help those who overdose. Vince Neal's Tatuaru is helping kids in need. And the Pahrump powwow was held over the weekend. News 46 starts now.
You're watching KPVM News 46 with Monique Mitchell. Local coverage from Deanna O'Donnell. News 46, local coverage you can count on.
Good evening. It's Tuesday, November 24th, 2015. I'm Monique Mitchell for News 46. Desert View Hospital held a press conference today regarding a grant to help those who fall victim to an opiate overdose. We caught up with officials to find out more.
Well, Narcan or naloxone, either one name you want to use, it's a drug that can be used to offset the effects of opioids. And so it's a life-saving drug that either first responders, hospitals, or other healthcare professionals can use to save people's lives when they overdose.
The way that the drug works is essentially that any opioid or heroin, it binds to that medication to keep it being absorbed by the bloodstream and affecting the person. So essentially, if you're comatose and you're given this medication, it binds to that medication and it takes it out of the receptors that have told your body to be comatose, and you wake up almost immediately.
It's a drug that's regularly used just about any time that we get dispatched for a report of a potential suicide, where drugs were introduced in someone's systems, or in accidental overdoses, things along those lines. And it happens usually in our younger folks and our elderly. Medications often encumber a number of different type of opiate type drugs. So it's something that we use on a regular basis. We've been using it for years with success, again, for opiate-based medications. And that's really important to remember, because it's not going to be the end-all, cure-all for any different types of things that could be a potential problem during that call.
But this particular grant is one that is addressing substance abuse, prescription drug abuse, and so forth in primarily rural areas. So this is a really important grant, and it's earmarking dollars to not just the purchase of naloxone and Narcan and the anti-opioid reversal type of drugs, but also getting outreach on the issue. It's raising visibility about a pretty important public health problem in the state of Nevada.
I think in the long run, naloxone or Narcan, whatever you want to call it, it makes a significant difference if it's given in a timely manner, in a timely fashion, by people who are first on the scene, to reverse the effects, the devastating effects of our opioid overdose situations that happen in rural Nevada. This is just one more tool in the toolbox for our EMS and our first responders to be able to utilize to save lives. This drug and this legislation truly save lives.
Medics transported 2 people from an accident this afternoon.
2 people were injured as a result of a 2-vehicle accident that occurred on Leslie and Irene Street this afternoon. Pahrump Valley Fire and Rescue Nye County Sheriff's deputies arrived on scene to find both vehicles still in the roadway. Nye County Sheriff's deputies are conducting the accident investigation. 1 person from each vehicle was transported to Desert View Hospital. This is Deanna O'Donnell for News 46.
The Community Thanksgiving Feast will be held Thanksgiving Day at Nye Community Coalition.
We're having our annual Thanksgiving dinner for the community this Thursday, November 26th, from 12 noon till 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's open to the whole community.
So Nye Communities Coalition, the Holiday Task Force is putting this on. Yes. What do we expect to see there?
You can expect a good dinner, with a turkey dinner with all the trimmings, and there will be entertainment, and just a lot of socialization and fun.
Are you looking for more volunteers or people to help out?
Yes, we're always looking for volunteers, and they can call me at 775-419-7857, or they can call the coalition. And my extension at the coalition is 236, and they can leave a message for me there also. And
Also, sometimes, well, you're looking for drivers to help deliver some of these meals because there's people that can't make it down there.
Yes.
Is there also going to be some help to get people in case they need a ride there?
yes, they can call the senior center up until Wednesday afternoon at 5. They can call and make a reservation for transportation to come to the dinner.
Can they still schedule to have the meals delivered to their home at this time?
Yes, they can call Linda DeMail and request food delivery from her, or they can call me and I can relay the message to Linda.
What's that number once again?
My number is 775-419-7857.
All right. So the whole community, come on down to the Nye Communities Coalition and enjoy Thanksgiving. There's no requirements, nothing that you need to show to get this free meal.
No, there's nothing to show. Just come down and enjoy yourself. And this year we'll also be giving away, we'll have coats to give away. And also we'll have services available. If you're in need of some kind of service, we will have someone there to help you out, to steer you in the right direction.
If people would like to help donate to the Holiday Task Force or get involved in this for the Easter dinner coming up, can they contact you as well?
Yes, they can.
Well, coming up after the break, find out what new law is being placed for drivers who leave the scene of an accident.